Hello, welcome to the second hangout to introduce you my membership website, SpanishCookVideo.com. This company belongs to the trademark Cook Member. This is a group that is creating all over the world a franchise to do the same with the same objectives. Let's go ahead. My name is Nancy Ballesteros. For all of you that don't know me yet, I am the co-founder of CookMember. Okay, I'm here to go deeply in some specific things that our business delivers. Yes, what we are good in. What makes us different? What are the 4 points that make our company unique? Well, we are the unique company all over the world that train online how to cook. How to cook Spanish recipe mainly, but we are going to cook wherever. Using Hangouts on air. Those are interactive sessions for members that receive the ingredients receipt list by email in advance, allowing to members be cooking at the same time than the cooking teachers. We consider that just looking at a receipt don't really teach, because the own member experience on cooking the recipes we do at the same time than the cooking teachers, and during the process of cooking, if any member has any trouble, we are online to give the proper solution. And at the end of the cooking course, there is an open session for all members to come in alive to the hangout with the cooking teacher and ask anything. Isn't it really good? Many people all over the world, we are going to be connected at the same time, together. This is very knowledge. We can learn many things from each other because we can share experiences, and during those hangouts, we are going to be better and better cooking professionals. We are going to learn not only how to cook, also we are going to learn about nutrition aspects, about diets, about the proper use of your cooking appliances. Well, which is the second? The second thing that make us unique is the use of many cooking appliances, to teach any member how to maximize the uses and how to monetize the price someday we spend on them. Do you know any other company in the world that do this? Do you know any company that teach, because one company teach about one product, but we are going to teach you about all of them. Well, we are trying to cook each recipe with a variety of cooking appliances. And in this point, we are also unique in the world that do this. The same recipe, cooking at the same time in different cooking appliances. We are taking each recipe in an edit process to be shown with you in a short time from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Maximum. This is very good because we are creating the widest worldwide database. Well, going to resume our 2 mainly objectives. First one, to create the widest worldwide database of short edited video recipes in many languages with a powerful search engine by ingredients and by type of food. And our second objective is to teach any person all over the world how to cook better, faster, easier, tastier, and healthier. How many times you look for any recipe in YouTube or in Google, you find the recipe you like. Okay, maybe you find the ingredients and the process, how to cook it, but you cannot see the process. On the other hand, if you see the process, you have the choice to print out the ingredients and to print out how to do it. We are doing all together. That's what makes us different. I just talk about the two objectives or missions of our cooking membership website and about the 4 things that makes us unique. Okay? But I also told you in the previous hangout about the seminars. We are producing cooking events, cooking thematics events. Well, why to attend to them? What makes unique those events? Which are the 5 things that make unique our seminars event? Well, the first one, this is one of my favorite part of of our company. What we offer you, that's an amazing one. The first one is enjoyment part of them. Why? Because they are interactive, because they are limited, and anyone will be cooking at the same time with the chefs during those 2-3 days seminars duration. You are going to have the ingredients, you are going to have the cooking appliance, and you are going to be cooking at the same time than the teachers. The relationships part of their seminars. Why? Many people all over the world will come to our seminars and you will meet many persons related with the cooking world. And in this environment, imagine the amazing relationship all of us we can do. Also, you can attend with somebody with you, and then you will not come alone. Anyone you decide. Good idea? It's important to meet new people, and mostly if they are related with your area of interest. The third, the specific knowledge you will be provided in each thematic cookie seminar. And just you attend to one alive, you will be able to connect with the following we produce through our Google Hangouts for always, and also receive the private links to those seminars. These seminars are not just for members, are for anyone that wants to attend. What I mean? I mean, maybe you like from our company one of our members levels, but maybe you don't want to be a member. You just want to attend to those seminars. It is possible, no problem. What else? What make a difference? Our cooking seminars. Well, in the seminars, we'll provide to each student of the cooking appliances they will be using during the course, such as Thermomix and other specific Tupperwares that are going to be used in microwaves and in the ovens. At the end of the seminars, those cooking appliances that you'll be using, brand new, you will open from the boxes, you will cook with them, you will keep them in the boxes, put your name, your home address, and we'll deliver it for you to home. Of course, you are going to come here by plane. Has no sense to be carrying with this. We will deliver it to you. The fifth, and very good one, make a culinary journey in the main Andalusian cities for the 2-3 days, after the 2 or 3 days seminars. we are going to be traveling to Sevilla, Córdoba, Málaga, and Granada to visit the main important monuments of those cities, and also to go to eat traditional Spanish receipt of each city in well-recognized restaurants. Isn't it amazing? Come to Spain and enjoy all this, the enjoyment, the interactive cooking lessons, the relationship, the cooking knowledge you will take with you, the cooking appliances, because if you have them, of course you don't need them, but they are, you can present to them, or we will talk about this. But you will have them at your home. When are we going to develop those seminars? Well, those are going to be done in springtime and in autumn time to avoid the hot of the summer, because here in Andalusia, the summer, on summertime is very hot weather. What to do? How to attend to the seminars? Well, we'll provide on our webpage to a link to know more about this. Mainly, you are going to introduce your email, and you will receive the information about them. Those, or at the moment, just saying anyone that see this video that you can become a member of our cooking membership website to any of the level. We talk to you about the levels in the previous Hangouts. Or you can attend only to the cooking seminars. You decide, you can choose both options. Just point you once. All of you that are members of our cooking membership website will have better prices for any one thing we develop. Offers of seminars, of cooking appliances, offers of the membership website, offers to get paid for referring us to your friends. And now is the time you take your decision. Decision is yes or not. There is no medium, there is no maybe. Say yes to become a member. Say yes to attend to our seminars. And the details about those things are in our webpage. My name is Nancy Ballesteros, and thanks to listening to me. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.